Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell where you'll see more great videos like this. Today we are going to be making a toaster. So to start with, we're going to add in the cube. We'll scale it up to the size that is required, and we are going to select that top face and then just scale it in a bit. What we'll do next is bevel the edges, 3, 4 and the top. So Control B. But first of all, we're going to reset transforms. So there we go, like that. Next thing I want to do is Control R and then just bring that down. Select the faces around the bottom there, and then we want to do extrude along normals, and then we can just bring that out like that, and then hit the edges along the top there, Control B with a small bevel like that. So that is pretty cool for now. Okay, now what we want to do now is add in all the bits and pieces. So the top bit where the toast goes in, so we'll just create a couple of cubes around about that sort of size, maybe. Duplicate on the X like so. Let's just turn so we'll duplicate, and then we're going to get top down view, just bring it over like so. Select your toaster, go to modifiers, select Boolean. You can duplicate, and then we can select 1, and then we can select slice 2. Just click on apply. Click on apply, and then hopefully those two. Right, that's cool. So we're just going to duplicate, Shift D on the Y. So this is now going to be where the slider is. That takes the toast down into the depths. And let's just bring that across to there. And up a little bit. So we're going to select the toaster, and then we're going to create another Boolean. Click on apply. We can now make that into the actual slider, and then like so. Just scale it down until you're happy with the size that you require. Bring it on over to the toaster, and then what I'm going to do is just select all these top edges and the 4 corners, and then just Control B to bevel like so. Shade smooth, and then we're just going to rotate it on the X, bring it on in, and then we can just bring it up to the top there because that's where it'll be. Next we need to make a couple of cylinders. We need to bring it on over, rotate Y 90, rotate X 90. We need to scale that on down. So this is going to be the timer knob, like that. Okay, and then we also want another one, duplicate on the Y, scale that down, because that's going to be the cancel button. So that's going to go in there like so. Maybe just have it off to the side there. Okay, now we need to add a boolean. I'm going to duplicate that. So we want this one and we want that one, and then we want to apply. Just going to scale this down slightly like that, same as that one, scale. And then we're going to select those top edges, and then we're going to bevel like so, and the same on this one. We'll select the top edges and bevel. Oh damn it, let's reset. Now bevel. There we go, that's better. Let's shade smooth. We're just going to move that one in a little bit, like there. Okay. And then in here, just going to hide that one. In here, we're going to do a loop cut. And then Control R on this side. So we've got that one, we've got that one. We're just going to bring it up to there, and then we want to select 4 faces in here, and then we're going to do that again. So it's giving it a lip, same there. So it's giving it a lip. Also, what we can do is number 2, and select those edges, Control B, to give that a little bit of a bevel as well. And that is that. That's our toaster. And now you can just give it some cheeky little bit of colour. Let's go into our render view and change it to cycles. Click on denoise. Lighting, I'm going to have environment. We're going to open. Find your environment lighting. So I'm just going to go for a like a studio, I think. Studio for now, if I can find one. Photo studio. There we go. And then the material we can add. So if you wanted to, you could just add metallic. Just take down that roughness. The bottom here. And we're going to do black. New black assign, and then also we want to assign it in here as well, because obviously it's dark in there. Just assign that in there as well. These, oh, you can do whatever colour you want really. I'm going to go with black. Just chuck it on there. Chuck it on there. Chuck in a floor. Let's select those and then move up. And then we can select our plane, scale it on out. Oh. What happened there? Okay, and then we're just going to grab that edge, extrude Z, edit mode, extrude Z, oh come on. Extrude Z. And then we can, in fact we can rotate Z. Oh, hang on. Come out of edit mode, rotate Z. And then we can select that, Control B. Just going to crank those up. Shade smooth. And then there is our shiny new toaster. Bada beam, bada boom. Actually, let's change that to yellow, like a bumble. Oh, yes, I like that. Yep, that's our toaster. Yellow and black. Boom. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And we will see you on the next video, which is where we'll start making the kitchen. We've done the fridge a little while back. We've done the toaster. On the next video, we're gonna block out the kitchen. So we'll make the kitchen size. We'll put blocks in where all the units are gonna be. Yeah, so that'll be in the next video. So yeah, come along for the ride. We'll see you next time. Ta-da!